Hello guys and welcome to Harkman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you what mistakes I've made while trading in the stock market. Well, there are certain mistakes that everybody makes while trading stocks. Most of them make tons of losses, but most of them makes less of a losses. In my case, I haven't made any losses. I only made what do you call that? I've only made those mistakes that I've took my profits earlier. So, so some of the mistakes and I've also invested at the wrong time. So I'm going to discuss those mistakes with you. So let's get started with the video so that you know what mistakes I've made. Now this is a particular random stock. Yes, this one. As you can see that I bought the stock at this level, maybe at this level or this level, somewhere between these two. Yeah. So I bought the stock. When it was at its highest high. Why I bought a stock at this level? I know technical analysis. I know how to do I know much about those things. So the reason I bought here is that I've listened to my broker. He told me that this is a hot stock trading hotly, so I've invested in the stock. And as I bought this stock start to plummet. The stock start to plummet, and then again it went up, but not that much as these stocks. So again a downfall, but now I will wait for it to show me some positive results. Well, I'm waiting for it to give me much more positive results. At this level it was, if you consider it as its highest high, it won't be wrong. Where is it? You can see that this was the resistance level. This is the overall resistance level of the stock, sorry, of that particular area. Let me highlight it. Now this is the resistance level for this overall for this particular area. Now if it broke this trend line, broke this resistance level, then I'm going to profit from it, because I've invested at this level. So I'm going to profit from it if this stock broke this resistance level and started to trade upward. So it's a great it's a great strategy to apply, but only I'm going to wait for it. Patience is the key in trading stocks. So as long as you wait, as long as you be patient, you will be much profitable while trading in the stock market. Now I also knew short your position. In my case, I can't short my position. I can't short my position in the regular market. There's a reason for that. In our country, it is banned to short your position in regular markets. You can only do them in on monthly basis. Now, if it's, let's say, the first date of the month, the first February, first March, something like that, the first date of the month, you'll short your position, and and if while the month is running, in between that, if the stock start to drop, then you will profit from it. But you're not going to profit from it. You will be paying interest on that. So that's something some other that's a topic I will be making on another video. So stay tuned up till that. And for now, you can see I made this mistake. Now I'm waiting for it to give me some positive results. Now let me show you one other stock. While this is loading, I'm going to explain this one to you. Where was it? I think it was here. Yeah, it was right here. As you can see that I bought the stock at this level. It was a great area to buy, and I bought the stock at this level. So this stock went up, came down a bit, and then start to go up. But I have sold the stock on this particular day, on this candlestick. Why? Because on this day on this day the overall market was down, but this particular stock on this day was on sorry the overall market on this day was down, but this stock was up. As you can see that the bulls were strong. Sorry, the the bulls won, but showed weakness. In this case, the sellers were active as they were pulling out their money from this stock and investing in other stocks. So after that, this stock went up, and again I've listened to my broker. I listened to him, and he told me that you shall sell the stock right now. So I've sold the stock, and you can see that what happened after this. I took profits too early at this time. I took profits too early. It would have doubled. You can see how much is it. I bought at this level, 15.60, and how much was it? 36. So it would have been doubled by now. So I made this mistake by listening to him again. Faisal Bank. Now I'm going to show you stocks that I have bought. Again, I bought a stock at this level. I waited for it. This was another stock. I waited for it 2 months until it recovered to at this level. So I've sold it for a profit. Then it again showed weakness. Again at this level, I've bought somewhere here. I bought the stock and sell it at a profit. So I've made this much profit, and after that I haven't entered into this trend. So as you can see that this is now trading in a downtrend. So I make small amounts of profits, no more than that. I take I make the sorry I apply the right strategies at the right time. So this is what I do, uh, and invest in the stocks at different levels. So you can see uh, I make what do you call that? Yes, I make less profits at sometimes, but at sometimes I make great profits. You can see this one stock. Let me show you what happened in this one. No, not this one. Yeah. Where is it? Fibonacci retracement. From this point, yes. Now as you can see that again I've invested in this stock at this area, because I thought that this stock would go up from this level, and but it came down. Now as you can see that it showed price rejection at this candlestick. You can see that a long wick. It showed price rejection. Now the bull stepped in, but now I'm going to wait for it to show me what results it will give me, because I've invested at this level and it came this far. So I'm going to wait for it to give me some positive results of what results it will give me, so that I can further make my decision on keeping the stock or selling the stock. Because as you can see that it give it give me positive results at this level, because it rejected the price rejection happened on the downside. So I'm going to wait for it to give me some positive results. On the basis of those results, I will make my decision on keeping the stock, on whether to keep this stock or not. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.